Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'm gonna use the Ninja Grill. Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'm gonna use the Ninja Grill, the Foodi Ninja Grill. So you can grill things, you can dehydrate meat, you can make jerky if you like jerky, and you can do veggies. You could even cook a pineapple in here. So I've seen a lot of things on there. And as you see on the back, you can do pasta. You can literally do everything that you could think of. It actually comes with a recipe book. You got burgers, pizza, wings, cauliflower wings, all kinds of stuff in there.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, time to go to the store to buy some stuff to cook with. Florida, we're going over the bridge, nice view. As you see, we're at Whole Foods Market. Fresh fruit, fresh produce, everything you need. Look at the beautiful birds. All right, today we're gonna cook 3 things. 1, grilled salmon. 2, air fried wings. 3, grilled steak. As you see, only prime beef, boneless ribeye steak, top of the line. All right, time to get this food home and get to cooking, get in the kitchen. As you see the American flag in the back, America. Let's go. All right, back to the Ninja Grill. Ninja Grill, as you see, you can cook any kind of meat you could think of, any fish you could think of. You can also do fruit, vegetables, stir fries, air fry, whatever you want. Literally anything you could think of. Inside of the cookbook, I've even seen ingredients that I never thought I'd throw in there. But moving forward with the Ninja Grill, you do see you have the air fryer pan. That's where you throw stuff in, you stir it around, and then here to the right is the grill. So you're gonna place that in, and there you have the cleaning brush. You can use that, but I recommend using a sponge. Here's the top piece, that's the spill-proof top. You can take that out as well, but I recommend using it so nothing spills out of the sides or the top. Looks beautiful, easy to clean, easy to use. Buttons in the front. All right, so in the back you have the vents. All the smoke comes out of here. And one cool thing about smoke is that in a moment, I'm gonna pour some avocado oil on this salmon. So I'm cutting up the salmon and I'm gonna pour avocado oil on it. The reason I did that, I put the oil on first, is because avocado oil has a very high temperature before it actually smokes. So if you use olive oil, Ninja and the brand, they recommend not using olive oil. So do not use olive oil because it's gonna burn too fast. It's gonna smoke up your apartment, your house, whatever you live in. So I highly suggest cooking with either, number 1, the highest temperature in cooking level is going to be avocado oil, then from there is canola oil, then you can use coconut oil, but I highly suggest again avocado oil. Now let's get started.
A few moments later.
Alaskan wild caught salmon. Look at that deliciousness. My favorite thing about the Ninja and cooking fish is you do not even have to flip it. You put it in for 8 to 10 minutes. You just set it in, it's already seasoned however you like it. You put it in, you wait till the timer goes off, pick it out, put it on the plate, and you're, look at that. Look at that. I can't even talk right now. Just reminiscing. Cutting it open, heat coming out, you see it's cooked perfectly. Look at the inside of it. Nice and soft on the inside, buttery, still crunchy on the outside. And as you see, I'm about to put it down. It slips and bam, look at that. Slips apart. That's how you want it. Now it's time to try that thing. Comes out pretty hot too, so make sure you don't burn yourself. All right, besides me eating salmon, we also have salmon for our pit bull Maggie. She's a rescue. She's also adopted. Pretty awesome dog. If you don't have a dog, I highly suggest getting one. Adopt, don't shop. But there you go. Look at that shiny coat. That's the omega-3s inside of the Alaskan wild-caught salmon. Look at that shiny coat. All right, now we're going to get back into the cooking using the Ninja. All right, ladies and gentlemen, next up, we're going to air fry some wings. I hit air crisp. I hit start. You see pre, and to the far left, you see the different temperatures. But the coolest thing about it is the book tells you what temperature and what setting to push, so you never have to guess. Here we have Korean barbecue, marinade sauce. We also have avocado oil. Most important, do not use olive oil because it's gonna smoke up your house, gonna smoke up your place. It just burns way too fast. So you wanna use avocado oil, coconut oil, or even vegetable oil. I prefer avocado. Gonna put this in, mix it up in the Ziploc. Next thing you know, you gotta shake it up. So we got avocado oil, along with the seasoning sauce. Obviously, you could choose whatever sauces you want, but just want to show you exactly what I did. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Look at that. Look at that goodness in there. Getting nice, moist, and wet. Maggie wants some. Side note, chicken is her favorite meat. Alright, so now the cool thing is, once it's preheated, the Ninja actually tells you to add food. That's the best thing about it. It communicates with you. So it says add food. Now let's get started.
A few moments later.
Now it's time to pour some avocado oil on top of the steak. You might think this is weird, but it's perfect for the grill. Pour it on, then you put your favorite seasoning on top, and then you massage it into the meat. As you see, got some steak seasoning. You can use whatever you like, so don't judge me in my preference. I like what I like, you like what you like, so it is what it is. Alright, so we got the avocado oil on there, putting your seasoning on there. Now I'm gonna throw some red chili peppers on there, and then I'm gonna massage it in. You wanna spread that thing thoroughly. So that way, not just the middle has the oil, because you don't want that to be the only part that cooks and is slightly burned. But you'll see how this looks in a few moments. Once again, I like seasoning. Some people don't. Some people love sauce. Either way, enjoy it however you want. Ground red pepper. Sprinkle it on top. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the best part you've been waiting for, that sizzle action in the Ninja Grill. I want to preface this by saying I'm not a steak connoisseur, I'm not a chef, I just like my meat medium. Some people like it rare, some medium rare, some medium well, and the what have you done, whatever floats your boat.
Yeah, man, that video is so good.
A few moments later.
Woo! Baby, look at that goodness. Juicy on the outside, you can tell it's slightly crunchy on some parts. And there you see when it's before it's cooked. Now it's time to cut it open. The best part of making a steak. Reminder, I just like my medium. Sometimes medium rare, but there you go. This was my first time using this grill, making a steak, so it's always gonna get better from here. It's all about experience and going from there, doing trial and error. Look at that deliciousness. Not bloody. Some people like it bloody. I don't prefer it that way. But as you see from this angle, the deeper I go, looks like it's a little bit more cooked there. That's exactly how I like it. And I actually enjoy the fat as well. Some people throw the fat away. I eat everything that's on there. But yeah, it's just mind-blowing. This literally takes 12 minutes. That's it. Now for the slow motion part. Cool it down. Damn, baby. Delicious.
Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate your time. Hopefully you get a Ninja Grill yourself so you can enjoy some delicious food. Click subscribe, click like, let me know what you thought of the video, and there'll be many more to come. See you soon.